Hi, have you ever been stuck on a problem just to realize that the solution was right in front of you? Yeah, that happens to a lot of us, and that's why we're gonna understand why our brain does that. Basically, the obstacles of problem solving and how you can train your brain to overcome these challenges. So, psychologists say that there are a few mental blocks that make problem solving harder than it has to be. Let's look at the main three ones: fixation, functional fixedness, and irrelevant information. Fixation. When your mind refuses to think differently. It's basically when you get stuck thinking about a problem in one particular way. It's like your mind telling you, no, this is how we've done it always, even when a new approach might work better. So for example, you've always solved a math problem using formulas, but suddenly there's a question that requires logic and not just plain calculation. But your brain is still looking for formulas, so that's fixation. So how to overcome it? Firstly, you can sit back and ask yourself, is there any other way you can solve this problem? Or you can try explaining the problem to someone else. Sometimes just rewording the problem can change the way you think. And lastly, you can just take a short break. Sometimes a fresh start can give you a new perspective. Second, functional fixedness. It's basically when you cannot think of new uses for old objects, or you cannot look at an object beyond its usual use. So let's try this. Let's say you have a candle, a box of matches, and a box of tacks. Your task is to attach the candle to the wall so that it can burn properly. You can pause the video, think of a solution, and let me know in the comment section what you thought of. Most people struggle with this because we are used to thinking that the box is only for holding tacks and not something that can be used as part of the solution. This experiment was done by Carl Duncker in 1945, and it shows us how our mental image of an object's normal function can trap us. The trick in this task was to use the box as the candle holder, tag the box to the wall, and place the candle inside the box, and the problem is solved. So how can you overcome the problem of functional fixedness? Firstly, you can practice flexible thinking. Ask yourself, can this idea or an object do something else, something different? Challenge yourself in your daily routine. Try familiar things in different ways. Third, you can solve puzzles or riddles that will literally make you think outside the box. Third, irrelevant information. It's basically a distraction trap. Sometimes we get overwhelmed by the unnecessary details. Imagine a word problem with full of numbers, but only one of them actually matters. So this additional information is just irrelevant and can easily mislead you. So how to overcome this? Firstly, highlight the important facts or what actually is being asked. Second, simplify it. Write the problem in your own words. And third, ask yourself, if I remove this piece of information, will it make a difference? If not, then it's probably irrelevant. A few more quick tips to beat the problem solving blocks include questioning your assumptions, using analogies, staying patient and curious, and playing brain games. Remember, once you learn to spot and challenge the mental blocks, problem solving becomes fun and does not seem like a dead end. If you enjoyed this video, then try this today. Think of every day 5 items and think of different ways to use them, and let me know in the comment section. If you found this video useful and interesting, do like, share and subscribe.